Unbroken democracy that we are celebrating today, how has it translated to, unbroken food security, access to education, access to healthcare? And we're talking about celebration of democracy. Our people are hungry back home. For me, and to be honest with you, Mr. Speaker, there is nothing to celebrate.
The 1 year of celebration of President Bola Tinubu's administration has stirred varied reactions across Nigeria. The political class highlights their achievements during this period, while many average Nigerians express discontent, citing increased hardship under the APC-led government. A notable controversy revolves around the recent National Assembly deliberations on changing the national anthem, which many Nigerians, including a vocal House of Representatives member, criticizes as misplaced priority. The representative's critics resonate with the broader sentiment among Nigerians who believe that Tinubu's administration has failed to address their core needs, contrary to promises made under the renewed hope mantra. The dissatisfaction is fueled by the evident decline in Nigerians' economic stability. The Nigerians' value has plummeted by over 200%, resulting in significant inflation. Key commodities like garri and pure water have seen their prices skyrocket, while exchange rates for the dollar has plunged from 450 naira to about 1,400 naira. Fuel prices have similarly escalated from 400 naira to about 850 naira per litre, severely impacting the cost of living and the purchasing power of Nigerians. Now let's hear from the House of Representatives Speaker, who has spoken truth to power as her words resonate with the average Nigeria. Don't go anywhere. I'll be coming back to give you my reactions to her words and to proffer quick solutions to the Nigerian problem.
For me, this celebration is coming to me with so much mixed feelings, because Nigerians are all watching us. Nigerians are listening to us. Those people we are representing are listening to us. How much of this democracy, unbroken democracy that we are celebrating today, how has it translated to, unbroken food security? How has it transformed into unbroken security in the nation? How has it transformed into unbroken access to education, access to healthcare? And we're talking about celebration of democracy. The democracy is government of the people, for the people, by the people. And it should actually change the lives of our people. We are representing our people. Our people are hungry back home. For me, to be honest with you, Mr. Speaker, there is nothing to celebrate.
You're saying we should not celebrate?
We should be looking at celebrating food security. We should be looking at celebrating access to healthcare. So we should be looking at celebrating. There are lots of things to celebrate. We know that we have had unbroken. Excuse me, please. I need to be protected. I need to be protected, Mr. Speaker.
You are protected, but democracy is what is protecting you. Democracy has given you that place you are standing.
We have on this floor.
To be a parliamentarian, you are democracy that gave you that platform. Are you saying you're not celebrating it?
How has it impacted? We need it to move a step further. We need it to move a step further. If I am here and it has brought me here, how has it impacted my own people? That's what I'm talking about, Mr. Speaker.
Okay, thank you very much.
So please,
thank you.
We are celebrating, I am celebrating, but we should be
okay, we are celebrating it now.
Implement what we have been doing here.
Okay, thank you. So we are celebrating it now.
Thank you.
Thank you. Honorable colleagues, democracy. That's the last words countered her first word, because democracy gave her the platform to be able to address this issue, and to say she is not celebrating it is what. But Honorable Kafilat, I want to hear you speak. Please.
Senate President, Your Excellency, the honorable people of the House, the Legislative House, both sides, colleagues, and friends, old and new. forefront of this school.
Mr. President, without interruption, the members are asking to please sit while they are speaking.
This institution, the House represent our consciousness for freedom and sense of belonging. You're running out the latest national anthem. Nigeria will lead.
You're seeing it for yourself that these economic challenges have exacerbated the hardship of many citizens. As such, there's a growing call for the federal government to refocus its policies towards alleviating these sufferings. Key recommendations include: number 1, implementing single-digit interest rate loan for MSMEs. Yes, we believe that this will provide the much-needed support to small and medium-sized enterprises, fostering economic growth and job creation. Number 2, reduction of import duties. Lowering these could help decrease the prices of imported goods, making them more affordable for customers. Number 3, empowering modular refineries. By boosting local refinery capacities, the government could reduce the cost of petroleum products, subsequently reducing transportation and goods and services and the prices of goods. Number 4, market-driven currency policies. Allowing market forces to organically determine the value of the naira rather than artificial measures could stabilize the economy in the long run. Now, addressing these areas could help mitigate the economic strain of Nigeria and restore some of the promised hope by the current administration. I'd like you to go to the comment section and drop your thoughts. Let's get to know what you think about the actions of this House of Representatives lady and our recommendations as Bola Ahmed Tinubu's government celebrates 1 year in office. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We really do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.